Here's how this is going to work. Here's our answer from factoring this problem. I'm telling you, if I take 4b times all this stuff and negative 3 times all this stuff, this is all that's left. But you really do want to see it to believe it. I mean, you really do. Don't take my word for it. Hopefully you've taken the time to do it yourself, and if you didn't quite see that it all canceled out, let's see if we can figure out what went wrong. 4b times 16b squared would give me 64b cubed. That's a great start. Then I'm going to do 4b times 12b. So 4 times 12, I could double 12 twice, is 48. b times b is b squared, and it's positive, so I have positive 48b squared. That's a weird looking 8. And then 4b times 9 is going to be 36 with a b tacked on the end. And I've taken the 4b times all this stuff. I'm ready to move on to the negative 3. I'm going to use that vertical method of multiplying where when I move on to the next term of the polynomial that it's in front, I'll put those answers underneath and I'll line up like terms. So negative 3 times 16b squared, negative 3 times 16. By the way, at this point you might be like in a bit of a panic because you're like, oh my gosh, I got all these extra things here, none of that's in here, but this is where the magic happens, right? So negative 3 times 16 is negative 48b squared. So I'll put that underneath the 48b squared because they're both a b squared term. Negative 3 times 12 is negative 36 with a b tacked onto that. Negative 36b. And then negative 3 times positive 9 is negative 27. So now when I start to combine like terms, this buddy has no friends. Poor little fella. These guys knock each other out. These guys knock each other out, and I'm left with a negative 27 as well. So everything cancels except for that first and last term. And it just feels good to see that happen, you know? Good luck.